drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag.
Look at where we're at, guys. Liberty Walk. Oh, they have the 34 out here too. What the heck? This is so sick. Look at that, Kaylee. Way cooler than the one that I have though, yeah?
You like it?
Oh, beautiful. Very beautiful.
Where from?
Hawaii. Hawaii.
Hawaii.
Hawaii. Oahu.
Oahu?
Yes. Oh, beautiful. Aloha. We have a cafe. What the heck? This is so cool, man.
We just got to Nagoya and our first stop is Liberty Walk. There's so many cool cars out here. I want to show you guys what they have. First they have the Ferrari and then a couple of these Brabus. I think they're Jimneys, but they're the newer ones and they have the G-Wagon look to it. These are so cool. I would love one of these. I think I would choose the black one. And the Lambo. R35. What is this little thing? So cool. This is a new Z. I don't normally like this orange color, but it looks really good on this car. The Cutie 500. Oh my gosh. I wonder if this hood naturally has this part or if they added it, because it looks so cute. And the Supra. Everything is so nice. It's crazy how big of a change it is with this kit on. It makes the FD look so huge. I wonder where Blaine went. Hello. Oh, that's so cute. I kind of like the white one. You can
have to get this.
Yeah.
These are the displays.
Oh my gosh, look at these little bears too.
Sure you want to use one of those?
So that's where we just were, and right across the street they have another garage, and this one has crazy cars in it too. This is where they got all the supercars though.
Look at how much money is just sitting right here in cars alone. Do you guys see this? This is a whole nother level right here. Look at all these old bikes back here. Bozozoku bikes. They got the mini F40 back there.
That's cool. It's super tiny.
It's a mini F40. Okay, so we left Liberty Walk and now we're at the Nagoya Castle. We're gonna go check it out, see what this castle is all about. We went to the Osaka Castle, so it was pretty cool. So I'm excited to see what this is like. Kind of missed doing this kind of stuff last year. We did a lot of car stuff, but trying to do a lot more touristy stuff this time. And it's actually pretty cool to be a tourist and walk around and see all this old Japan stuff. Look at these guys, always at the vending machines.
Look what I got.
What is that?
How much you get me?
What's mommy getting over here?
She got me a water.
Oh.
I was gonna get us an Aquarius. 180. Oh, is it being sold out? Oh.
Cherry.
Bowberry. Cherry Bowberry.
walking to, but we're walking following everybody else walking this way. Look at these buildings. Yep. Oh, look at this place. I think we can go in here. Yeah, look. We can go in there. I really enjoyed that. It's kind of cool to see old Japan. It's cool. Japan is cool because Japan is like, it's like old and new mixed together. Look at that. Japan is a place that has so much culture, so much history still here. You know, like being from Hawaii, we have that as well, but a lot of it has been like destroyed, decimated to the point where there's only stories left. When you come to a place like this with a lot of culture, like look, it's still here. Like, that's so crazy. We get to walk the same grounds that they did in the olden days, brah. Like, I'm walking on it right now. And that's so cherry. I think that's super dope. Look at these walls, bro. These walls has been made 400 years ago. Look at the roof.
So right now we just walked, not in the main castle, but they have a smaller section here that we just walked through, and it was super cool. But we got ice cream. This is a sweet potato ice cream, and it's really good. There's sweet potato flavored everything right now because it's fall, but this is a good one.
I bought ice cream, matcha ice cream, matcha swirl ice cream.
What do you rate it?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Kaylee loves the ice cream.
To a concert or something, bro. It's like a Japanese American Idol or something.
Yeah, that's like cute.
This place is called Oasis 21. I guess it's a big bus terminal or something like that. But they got a bunch of shops and stuff, food vendors and stuff like that. So I don't know, we're checking it out. It's kind of cool. I don't know what this is, but I think we're gonna go up on top of it. Whoa. Let's go ahead. Oh, it's whoa, look at the glass floor. We were just down there. Glass floor.
grind your sesame seeds in. I've never done this before, but I've always wanted to. And it's so cool because it actually works really good. And you can smell the sesame.
That sauce.
It's katsu sauce.
Oh.
I never knew that. I thought it was like tea or something.
I'm pretty sure it's on.
Ooh, the bowl is cold. They also gave us cabbage. It's so finely sliced.
I can't believe our trip is almost over, but it's been fun.
Yeah. This is our halfway point. It's cool that we have a long stay in Osaka. Blaine got katsu curry and Kaylee got a set. It comes with a bunch of different tonkatsus and then shrimp tempura. This is the sabo red and this is a more fatty piece of pork. And this is the miso one and this one is the style that they make it in Nagoya. So we have a whole bunch of different ones to try. We pounded all this food. How much do you think it came out to?
I think it came out to around, I'd say like $50.
I say like 5,000.
It's 8,536 yen. That was really good.
That's a really good deal. We ordered 3 sets. Appetizer and an extra. We counted everything.
And an extra entree. Yeah, we tried everything we wanted to. What do you rate it out of 10?
I saw 8.5.
6 or 7.
7. I think I gave it an 8. It was a pretty solid dinner choice.
Pretty good, but